Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there today? I want to come back real quick, guys, and show you something new in Club Cash Fund, okay? Before we get started, though, do me a favor. Go ahead and click that subscribe button. Go ahead and click that notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload new videos, okay? Thank you so much for those of you that's already subscribed. Thank you for coming back and checking out my video. Okay, Club Cash Fund, guys, is a direct mail program, okay, that was created, I believe it was last year or early this year, okay, but it's a simple program. It's only $100 to get started, okay. It's low ticket, okay. They do have an upsell if you want to get the pro level, okay, but the phase 1 portion of it is only $100 and you make $20 on 3 tiers, okay. And the way it was designed initially is you don't have to mail the sales letter out, okay? You don't have to mail anything out. What you need to do is just drive people to your website that the company gives you. And when people request the free sales kit, the company will mail that for you on your behalf, okay? Which means you don't have to do any mailing, okay? Which is pretty cool. Just drive people to your website. I'm going to show you that page here. Okay, this is the page that the company gives everybody, right? So your job is to drive people here, you know, place ads, drive traffic, get solos, do text messages, social media, videos, however you wish to promote it, okay? And you give people your link, which takes them here. When they enter their information, it takes them to this page, okay? And then they watch this video, and it gives them the steps. Step 1, they call this number, listen to it. And then step 2, they go down here and they request a free starter kit. Okay? It even has your name down here. Yes, I have access, or will have access to $100 in the next week. So they fill that out. The company will mail them a sales letter. Okay? If they decide to join, they mail their $100 back in with a self-addressed envelope. And voila, they have an account. And you make $20, okay? Now, what they've added recently in the back office is a way for you to mail postcards. They've created it for you so you don't have to create it. Hang on, let me show you. All right. When you log in your back office, you just click marketing, and right here, they have different sources, resources. Like right here, we have email swipes, guys. You can send emails to people to get them to look at your site. They have traffic. Back here, you can actually buy traffic to get people to your page. And so now they've added the postcards, okay? So they have created it already for you, and you will have a unique personal code if you order these cards, okay? Now, you come down further, and it tells you here, you can order your cards. Let's say you wanted 500 postcards, and then you can also order your leads at the same time, okay? So let's just say you wanted 500 postcards and 500 addresses. It's going to cost you $180. Now I see also where you can actually order cards, looks like without even, if you already have leads, okay, you can just order cards right here. Right here, 500 cards for $90, and I choose not to get the addresses, and I didn't want them to do the stamps. Click add to cart, $90. So 500 cards would be $90, okay? So you can actually go back here and remember, this is just to drive people to your website. You still don't have to mail out the sales letter. The company is going to continue to do that. The cards is the driving force to get people to your capture page, okay? This is the capture page the company gets you, or like myself, I have also a page I created in the Conversion Pros, but either way, the cards is the driving force to get people to go here, put in the information so that they can see the video. You want them to check this video out, and you want them to request a kit. That's the whole goal, is to get people to your page to request a free starter kit, which the company is going to mail, okay? So you're still not mailing the sales letter. The cards are just going to get people to your page so they can request the sales letter, and then the company can mail it on your behalf. So that's a great option that you can choose, okay, to help you get more eyeballs to your page, because a lot of people aren't getting leads. So you can do solo ads. Okay, I can give you some resources if you want to just do solo ads to get people to your page. And now you have the option to get the postcards from the company. You don't have to create them or think about how to create them. They've done that for you, and you will have your unique code. Okay, so I think that's pretty cool. So I just want to show you guys that. So if you have not requested a kit as of yet, I highly recommend you do so. It's free of charge, guys. The company will mail the kit. Okay, I'll put my link below so that you can request a kit. And then from there, you can go ahead and send your $100 back in and get started. But if you want to start immediately, contact me and I will provide you with the information so that you can pay via Zelle to the company. Okay, you go through Zelle, the Zelle app, and pay the company directly the $100, and that way you can get started a lot faster. But if you decide to mail it in, if you want to wait on the kit to come to you and you mail in your payment, I recommend mailing it priority mail. Otherwise, it's going to take, you know, maybe 2 weeks or so, guys. The mail is slow with that coming back to the company. Okay, so at any rate, that's the new update for Club Cash Fund. If you want to get your postcards from the back office, you can do that. Okay, so I'll put the link below for Club Cash Fund. Go ahead and check it out. If you want to use an external marketing system, I'll put the link below for that. I have the Conversion Pros, and I'll be happy to share my share code for my marketing system that I'm using for Club Cash Fund. All right. So what we want to do, guys, is go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Click the notification bell so you'll be notified each and every time I upload new videos, okay? If you have any questions about this program, feel free to reach out to me. I don't hide behind my computer. I enjoy talking to people and getting their questions answered. But definitely go through the phone, watch the video, and then jot down your questions and give me a call. All right. I look forward to working with you guys in Club Cash Fund. You guys have a blessed day.